This is a tapener tool that ties vines tightly to keep plants from falling over. This is a manual nailing tool, suitable for fixing wood, concrete and light steel firmly in various construction and maintenance applications. This powerful all-purpose hose transfers gas, water, oil, and other non-corrosive liquids. Often used in garage, aquarium, boat, bathroom, or yard. This is a welding glue, perfect for all clean surfaces without dust and oil. Mainly used for casting steel, sand holes, filling cracks and other casting defects. It can be shaped, sanded, and drilled to repair water tanks, pipes, and broken concrete. Definitely a great helper. It's strong, durable, can withstand temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius. Finally, this is an ultimate disinfecting shoe mat.